Hi everybody, this is Hari from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the Autopilot.dll error. So this error is very critical, and if this error occurs there could be many possibilities slash reasons that it's occurring. It will slow your PC down, and it may also cause severe problems for your operating system. So there are multiple reasons for this one. So the first one would be an outdated OS. The second one would be incompatible software. So if you have installed any recent software, it could be causing the problem. And the third one would be that you have overclocked your PC for performance purposes, and it's causing these troubles. And the fourth one would be Microsoft Services or the updates that you have installed recently that may be causing these problems. So how do you fix all of this? So the first one you can do is just go to Windows updates. So make sure your Windows is updated. Just go to your start and search for updates. Just check for updates, and if you see any updates, just update your Windows and install all of those updates. See here, mine is downloading the updates. You can do that for your PC also. I can close this one. And the second option would be to switch off the Microsoft account sign-in assistant service. For that, you need to go to the Windows button and select services, update services. Locate Microsoft account sign-in assistant service. Just click M, and you have to search for Microsoft account. Yeah, right click and then properties. Disable and click stop, and then you have to click apply. Close this one. See, it shows me sign in option, but I'm going to close this one. And now go to CMD and make sure you're an admin and run as admin. After going to CMD, just type all of this. I will post these commands in the description so you can follow it. Now the second command would be okay. I have completed the scan, and it says no compound store corruption detected. Operation completed successfully. Now I can resume, and instead of typing again, what I can do is just click the up arrow and move this and type restore health. Oops. Click.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear that my mind fills up into a creature and it haunts me somewhere much
Mr. E.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I
Now it's loading again. We shall see how long it's going to take. Okay, the scan is complete and the operation also completed successfully. And the fourth option that you could, okay, before you move on to the fourth option or your fourth operation to fix this issue, just close this one and restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, again go to CMD, run as an admin. and type SFC scan now. And this is also going to take some time. We'll be back after the scan is complete. Okay, my scan is complete. It says found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So after this you can restart your Windows, and if you have overclocked your PC, make sure you disable it. If not, just check it. Go to your My Computer and then System Properties. Mine's a 4 GHz, so which is the base clock for me. So if it overclocked it, just go back to your original settings. And the last one, what you can do is reinstall Windows. You can reset this PC. You can reset this or advanced startup. You know, if you have a USB pen drive, you can boot your OS, or you can just reset it from your existing data to save your file. These are all the options that you can do to get rid of the Auto.dll error or fix all of the issues that your computer had regarding the issue. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this every day. And if you have any comments, you can put your queries down in the comments. We'll reply to you. For more tips and trips like this, visit Gossipfunda.com, and you can also visit us on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Check out the link in the description and you can visit the website. Thank you.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a